Who can you trust to get you a great deal on automotive or truck parts, engines or transmissions?
Texas Engine Exchange. We can handle that. We ship anywhere, guaranteed. Hey, I've got some great news for you. Texas Engine Exchange has got a huge inventory of parts to get your car or truck up and running now. I don't care what it is, from bumper to bumper, we've got it. Whether that's camshafts, pistons, valves, rods, lifters, electrical, fuel, we got it. You need it? Texas Engine Exchange is gonna get it for you. Texas Engine Exchange.